we were initially concerned that the computers were going to be powerful enough to do this. And then we began to see that we could simplify most of the work ahead of time so that the computer didn't have that much work to do when it needed to do it. That there was, let's just say, the information was in a state that could be quickly utilized and marshaled for whatever purposes. That was a very important part of the puzzle. Son Tom was with me in New York City, and we were on a balcony in Grand Central Station. And about 5 o'clock in the afternoon on maybe a Friday, but anyway, here's a sea of people on the floor going every which way. Now, the thing about these people is that they knew where they were going and they were going to get there. But could you have a master computer program how each of these people was supposed to get where they were supposed to go? And I would argue that maybe there's no such thing as a computer big enough to be able to program all those people to do what they do. The magic was that each individual person was smart and knew what he needed to do. So in effect, the idea of this way this works, in one way of looking at the way this works, is that the jobs are smart. They know what needs to be done to get themselves done. And they seek the solutions that they need in order to accomplish themselves. And that does not require a lot of supervision. The jobs are supervising themselves. It's a very different way of going about solving the problem. And it's the different solution that really matters most. If you try to do it with a lot of horsepower, my guess is you'd never get it done. But if you try to figure out how you're going to minimize the horsepower you need to do this, you need to do a lot of upfront work. You need to create smart jobs. In order to complete this job, it knows exactly what it needs and all the alternative ways. But it's the fact that you have smart jobs minimizes the horsepower that's needed at any given time. You've done the work up front.